Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back here to our channel. This is Simon Gunn, and today is Sunday. Trader, we now started another week here. Hopefully we're excited that this week gotta be also good like the last one or the last 2 weeks, because we're trying now to improve every day and we're seeing the results. Ladies and gentlemen, it's almost, we're approaching now 7 p.m. Eastern time here. It just remains 12 minutes here to get at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And the market today reacted like the stock market. We have a very, very bad news on the stock market these recent days, due to the tariff. So now we have a tariff who, the world economy, is getting worse and worse, and now it affected the market, the stock market particularly all around the world, and also the Forex is not immune. Forex also reacted. We have a gap down today from the major pairs here, which we used to trade, ladies and gentlemen. Before we go to that, let's now welcome those in French. Mesdames et mesdemoiselles, messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samien Gon et je suis très heureux d'être ici ce dimanche soir. Traders, aujourd'hui c'est le début. Nous commençons souvent notre semaine le dimanche et nous avons commencé aujourd'hui. Nous voulons remercier Dieu de nous avoir aidés et nous ne manquerons pas toujours de le remercier chaque fois que nous sommes ici, parce que c'est grâce à lui que nous sommes là. Alors, comme je disais en anglais, le marché est à la baisse. Nous avons ce qu'on appelle en anglais gap down. Donc, alors le marché est vraiment descendu. Il y a eu un rebondissement vers le bas. Donc, ça fait partie de la guerre économique que nous avons. Alors, dans le monde est bouleversé. Alors, le Forex n'a pas été indifférent. Donc, nous avons vu comment le Forex aussi réagit par rapport à ce qui se passe dans le monde. Alors, nous allons commencer nos analyses et voir. Trader, we're going to check, start with analysis. We have a gap down. We came now on Friday, as you can see, with a bearish engulfing candle here, and now open gap down. Likewise here on Euro GBP, also on GBP JPY, and here GBP JPY, we see a gap down. Also US Japanese gap down. So what are we expecting down today? Maybe we can have a continuation down, because when we have this kind of gap down, we may have, consider a continuation down on the gap down continuation, or we might have a rebound today, which is possible, as we can see here on Euro Japanese, which already started coming up, but it might just be a retest for the continuation. So we have to prepare ourselves for a possible short this evening, ladies and gentlemen. So let's now continue and see what's going to happen, traders. So we need to be careful, traders. Very careful. What's going to happen today? Let's now go to 4 hours here to see. We see now 4 hours here. Let's see. We don't see any. We just see now. So another support we can mark here is just this one. This is the support we can kick here. Donc, je disais que quand nous regardons le marché, nous voyons que le marché est en baisse. Ce que nous espérons, c'est probablement peut-être continuer en bas. C'est possible que nous puissions continuer vers le bas. Bien, la repli ne sera pas aussi à... C'est difficile de prédire ce qui pourra se passer. Parce qu'avec un tel pont, nous ne savons pas effectivement ce que le marché pourra faire aujourd'hui. Mais néanmoins, nous allons voir. Nous allons voir. Nous allons observer et voir ce que le marché fera ce soir. Trader. Nous sommes en bas de nos analyses techniques, ce qui veut dire que nous sommes dans un territoire rouge. We are here in the bearish territory, ladies and gentlemen, so we need to be careful. Let's see what our market going to give us today. Need to be careful. And now we have 6 minutes here for 7 p.m. Eastern time, ladies and gentlemen. And let's see if we have some kind of pattern here. Let's see if we have a pattern, trade pattern here. We have a gap down. Now we have small high, lower. We have a small high here and lower. So we're going down, lower, lower, and lower high. Lower, lower here and lower high, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have a higher high and high low, high high and high low, high high and high low. Here also high high and high low, high high and high low. Here was a high high and high low, but we can say that low, here it's going down. We have a lower lower, lower high, lower lower and lower high. Let me see here. So lower lower and lower high and lower lower. Now we're expecting lower high. It's just that both below here, which is high high and high low. So it's a very delicate market here. We are on the bearish market. We need to be careful because we know what happened recently on the stock market on Friday, Thursday, and Friday. It was a deep red. And the market keep going red, and our Forex market is not immune because dollars, and euro, all of those are the major pair leading the war, and the pound also. So we're now we need to wait and see, So maybe we will come to close the gap because the gap is here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our gap on top here. Maybe we will come and close this gap. Let me see here. This is the gap here. I need to play the gap. Where probably we may come and close the gap. This one. So let's see. just one of our trade which is above the 20 EMA here. That is a Euro Japanese. So let's see. Market going to open in 2 minutes. I'm talking about Tokyo market. Usually I used to take a long here, but at this point, because we have a big drop like this one, I'll wait, especially if the market come above this area. Market come above that, it will be fine. Let's see. On observe, on ne sait pas ce que le marché fera, surtout que le marché est au rouge. On va faire beaucoup attention. Marché a ouvert. Now I'm coming now above, close to my 20 EMA. Let's see if we now going to break the 50. Try to see if I can go long here, traders, and place my stop below. I'm coming now here, traders. I'm trying to see if I can, because I'm above my 20 here. So let me see. I'm going long here, trader. I'm going long to test. It's dangerous, but because I'm close to my stop, I'm trying to see. My stop gotta be below here. Traders, watching. Let's see. see. Let's see. Took a long position. I know that it's on the support already. A resistance, I mean. Let's see, my stop is below here. This one gotta be here. I need to place my stop here below. Okay, here, and this one there. So let's see, traders. It's very dangerous. Watching. We're watching. We have a pullback here. See what's Japanese pulling back. See the pullback. So now US Japanese approaching the stop. I was saying that it was hard to predict what the trade may do. Let's see. US Japanese coming to kick me out. Traders. Let's see. Maybe I may re-enter the trade in case. Watching. I have 4 trades for long. Let's see. I'm already close to my stop on US Japanese. If I get stopped out, I may re-enter the trade in case I find it necessary. Should not scare for get stopped out. It's not good, but if it happens, you take it. Traders. Tokyo market open here. 12-minute pass. My first losing trade now. US Japanese traders. Just losing trade. Let's see. I'm out of US Japanese. Je suis déjà hors du US Japanese. Voilà la perte. Watching traders. I may re-enter US Japanese later. But let's see. Australia Japanese is coming to our entry point. Let's watch and see. Our candle going to close in 2 minutes. Watching. Our target now going to be on 50, probably. Want to see US Japanese above so that we can re-enter. US Japanese reclaim here. I want to see the second green candle to make the new high. US Japanese. trying to see if I can re-enter US Japanese here and place my stop below. I want to re-enter US Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in on US Japanese again. Place my stop below. Let's see. In again on US Japanese. My second entry. Je suis encore entré sur US Japanese. Deuxième fois. Yes, Australia Japanese is coming to the resistance. Yes, it's true. So, but let's see. Where Japanese coming back down with the speed. Wow. I'm out again. Out on the second time on US Japanese. Out again on US Japanese there. Want to see? US Japanese for the out again. I'm going again in. It's a little bit tricky the way I'm trading, but just that, you know, I'm in again on US Japanese there. Traders, let's see. I'm not giving up on an in. Traders, let's see. I place my stop there. Watching. Maybe I may stop out again, but let's see. Let's watch and see. Want to see our trade turning green? It might just be a spike. Somebody throwing a lot of unit, you know, the quantity. So I took again US Japanese, even though he kicked me out. Took it again for the long. Let's see, traders. Hopefully we turn green. Hopefully we're going to turn green here, traders. Hopefully we'll see a breakout of Australia Japanese right away. See a breakout. Watching traders. Suis rentré sur US Japanese. Suis rentré sur US Japanese. On espère que ça va aller. On revient vers le bas. Going back down. It's not good. Holding a trade is not easy, traders, but we have to. We have to. Very, very difficult to hold a trade. So I need to place my target here because we can also have a spike. We don't know. It can happen. So always good to have your target in the market as well. Watching. Traders. Want to see a break in continuation. where Japanese already almost gone. It's not easy, but it's possible to get it. Coming back down. We are today in unusual market. The way the market behaved this recent time is difficult. To expect the long here. But hopefully, we're gonna get it. Two times I was already stopped out on US Japanese. Two times, that is my third time to re-enter the trade for long. So let's see. Want to see all our trade above 20 EMA traders. Let's see where Japanese turning green. We're nice. Want to see above. Want to see it above the 20. Also GBP. It's hard, volume. Want to see the volume coming in? Our trade are not bad entry. Just that market is need more time. So let's see. Want to see our trade turning green. Now we are really almost more than 30 minutes in the trade. So let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch. Switch down the trade, the carry trade. J'ai le prix US japonais. On espère que on va avoir une cassure vers le haut. We hope to see break the upside, which is not easy. Australia pulling back. It's not something we want to see. Watching. Yeah, me too. Hope to see them closing the gap, but it's not easy, as you can see, because those trades, I hope them to go and close the gap. That is what I want. I'm hoping here, because if they break here, they might go and close the gap. Yeah, they might go and close that gap. That is what I hope to, Chelsea. We are in a dangerous position because my stop is far away. All my stop are far. We have a very dangerous position here. We hope that our trade going to work. It's not easy. Very dangerous spot. So hopefully we'll see a break here in continuation upside. Yeah. So hopefully, let's see. Want to see a break of our 4 pairs. Watching. My account in AMCO doesn't work. I tried to take a trade there. AMCO doesn't allow me. I don't understand why. I don't know. What you want to see the break in Australia and GBP. US Japanese got a break, got to continue above the 20. Great. We see something better now. Great. Want to see a continuation, traders? Great. Nice. Let's move forward. Great. Nice, trader. Nice. Want to see them going to close the gap. Where Japanese came back down, which is not something we want to see. Want to see the complete break on Australia. Watching, trader. It's not easy to hold winning trade, but we have to. If you want to be professional people, we have to learn how to hold on the winning traders. I know it's not easy. So let's see. Want to see Australia going up. Australia going to come here and break. Not easy. Well, Japanese coming down. Trader is tricky. It's not easy. Hopefully we'll see a green candle forming. Watching. Watching here, want to see our trade going above. Nice. Want to see them breaking properly. Japan is doing great. Nice. Want to see now next candle for the continuation. Really, let's hold on it. Need to see a continuation with a green candle, not red. Need to see a push, the green. Going to let us know that we're moving to the right direction. On va voir une bougie verte qui se place. La suite, ce que nous voulons voir. Nous ne voulons plus les bougies rouges. Voilà, c'est bien. Nous voulons la continuité. Continuez à pousser. USD japonais repli. Pas ce que nous voulons voir. Australia est pulling back. Want to see a continuation. See our trade coming back down. Trader, we're watching here. We want to see our trade keep going up, which is not easy, but it's possible. Let's see. Let's keep watching, trader. Australia GBP is doing great. GBP doing great here. Let's see. We want to see Australia also going up. USD Japanese also is, having hard time to plan. Let's watch and see. USD Japanese will go great. USD Japanese doing great as well. Watching here, great, good push, traders. Let's keep going. Wanted to see Australia above, and the other one, but it looked like it's hard to get there. I want to readjust my stop here on US Japanese trader on break even. This is not the kind of trade I wanted to lose, you know. As you can see here, they're coming down, you know. So they're coming down. Very difficult, traders. So Japanese is coming down as well. Let's see. I don't really want to lose this kind of trade, but let's see. Watching. Let's watch here, traders. It's not easy to hold a winning trade, traders. But hopefully we'll get there. Watching with Japanese. Want to see them turning green. Want to see them turning green, traders? Nice. Nice. I'm trying to take my profit here, traders, because it looked like been waiting for long. It wasn't easy because the way I see the market doing, you know, I'm out of the trade, traders. Very, very difficult trade, but it paid off, you know. Very beautiful, nice. Wasn't easy, but I took the smallest I could have taken, or the maximum I could have taken. I'm happy with what I took, even though I lost twice on US Japanese, but I made it back, traders. It was not bad. Thank you. Way back. Watching now, trader, back here. Let's see. Those positions, I have them in my 3 account, but it was nice. I made some money, so I'm happy with. Juste sorti dans des 4 trades. Le profit n'était pas mal. C'est bien. Je suis content de ce que j'ai gagné. I want to remind you guys, those who are new to our channel, that you guys can subscribe, like our video. So, we're here to learn how to trade. Ceux qui sont nouveaux à notre chaîne peuvent souscrire. Sommes ici pour apprendre à trade. Voilà. Donc, on voit la repli maintenant. This is a pullback. Pullback. Want to see if it come below here, I will go long again. So watching. We're pulling back now. Great. We're pulling back. Want to see our trade coming down. I want to see if I can go long at this one. Gotta wait and see. Nice. Let's see. Coming back down. I'm going long here, traders. Going long. I want to see. My stop gotta be here, just below. Not too much. I took one. Nice. Want to see him up. Want to see him going up. I'm out. Was nice. Trader. Here, irrespective of the 20 EMA here, but not here. Watching. Nice. Beautiful. Watch it. Already 7 minutes after 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Twitter. You need to be careful. Watching here. Watching here. I'm just watching to see where gonna be my short position, because now I will just look for a short, not long position. What is our resistance on US Japanese? Watching US Japanese for the potential short. Need to be careful, not give back our money. I need to take down my quantity traders. Already make some money. I don't want to give them back. I took down the quantity. So, watching. Coming here on the Forex Japanese, here as well. GBP Japanese. Trying to see for the short. I need to be careful. Need to see a good sign for short. US Japanese gonna break. Okay, US Japanese break. Rejected. That is the flat top. Wanna see red candle. Need to be careful. It might just be a retest for the continuation on US Japanese. If you break the 50 down, I'll go short. Because we already have a lower high. Now I want to see if you have a higher low. I'm trying to go short on road Japanese here. Already go short on the road Japanese. I need to wait. And my stop gotta be above here, trader, on the 50. The road Japanese. Now, US Japanese as well. I want to start going short on US Japanese as well. Traders, US Japanese, go short on it. And my stop got to be above. So, trader, let's see. I took 2 trades only. And I reduce my quantity. Reduce the quantity here. Let's see. Don't want to have a winning trade or winning day. I turn it to red one. So let's see. Just took 2 trades. For Japanese, want to see coming down. And also, I'm going to take GBP in case it break support. I will take GBP for short as well. GBP. Want to see GBP can come down as well. I'm waiting to see. US Japanese broke the resistance and I came rejected. I hope that maybe it will come down maybe to the 20 here before reversing. So let's see. And we see here Australia Japanese is breaking below here. So Japanese, if I see it breaking here, I will go short as well. So let's see. My eyes is on GBP for short. Because Japanese is doing great for the short. I want to see Euro Japanese as well. Down. Watching. I want to see Australia Japanese. If we break here, I will go short. Australia Japanese. Great. Australia Japanese break. I don't want to see a rejection. I need to see a continuation down. If I see a continuation, I will go short. Australia Japanese. So I need to wait. US Japanese rejecting. So taking the upside. I'm just in on 2 trades, ladies and gentlemen. Just 2. So I want to see them. 2 trades. We see them coming down. See US Japanese down. Watching. Australia Japanese is pulling back with the speed. US Japanese breaking. Sell Japanese would have been fine for short here. Sell Japanese. US Japanese. Come see them coming down. Sell Japanese could have go short on Australia Japanese here. Watching. Because Australia Japanese is going up, that is why. We're going up. Let's see. That is why sometimes it's good to take small quantity, because you don't know. Watching. Watching here. Want to see Euro Japanese down. Let me see what's going to happen here, trader. Euro want to come down, but the other guys don't want. That is why. Let's see. Australia Japanese don't want to come down. Want to see our trade coming down. Okay, I'm out of the trade, trader. It's a little bit tricky. I'm out. I went flat, trader. Break even, because one trade don't want to. If you do whatever you were supposed to do, but you can break even, you know. So let's see. Here was a very good, nice long trade. Coming back down now. The way our chart is, I don't like it. The way it's trading here, that is consolidation traders. Very, very tricky. You need to be careful. Need to wait and see how the trade going to go above the range. We need to see where Japanese going above the range. Australia Japanese as well. Where Japanese is breaking. Also GBP going above. Need to be careful. So Japanese approaching the resistance. Yes, Chelsea, I see. I know that they are on resistance. I see here. Thank you. With our Japanese going to hit the resistance here. All of those are on a resistance. Understand? There is no trade for me here. Nothing I can do there. I will just go to break now, and I'll be back soon. here, trader. Celui-là. On va voir ce que le marché va faire maintenant. We're waiting to see what the trade gonna do. Right now, we have a high, lower. We're trying to go to high, but it was a fake. Let's see. You're watching here. Let's see our trade, where they're heading. To long this trade, I need to wait to come to the support. To take a low high, especially on Euro Japanese. Now coming from the high low. We're approaching 10 minutes to 10 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Twitter. We're watching. Trader, we don't have a trade yet. More patient. I am in a green territory, so I need to be careful. Watching carefully. Jeff, I think I don't know, you're talking about Australia US. We don't have Australia US here in our screen, you know. So you write things in Spanish and in English. I don't know exactly which language I can speak to you through. I'm sorry. So we have 4 pairs here we're trading. That is Australia Japanese, Euro Japanese, US Japanese, and GBP Japanese. So those are the pair we are trading here right now. We're talking about Australia US. So, and you're asking whether is the buy or sell. I don't have it here in my screen. I can place them, but I don't have them because those are not the pair I focus on. Sometimes we used to trade Australia Japanese, Australia US. Sometimes we trade them, but we just don't just focus on them. I want to focus on some kind of pairs I'm trading every day in order to have a data. Anyway, I thank you. I want to thank you for your participation, man. Yeah. If I could understand your question very well, maybe I could have put them here in check for you, but I don't know. Talking about Australia US. Australia US, let me see if I get Australia US here. Okay, so this is Australia US. So Australia US here, as you can see, within 5 minutes. So if I don't know whether is it for swing trading, day trading, investment, I don't really know. We are intraday trader here. So I see here you're talking about scalper. Jeff Scalper. Maybe it's just intraday trading. Okay, that is 4 hours. We have a sell from the other day, 4 hours. And when you turn here, you see the daily chart. You see that we came with, was a gap down, and now we came here. So to me, let's say if you go back to multiple time, like here, for example, see that the support we have is just here. That is a support, which is a resistance now. We broke that. We dropped here far away. So it's very difficult to determine, because what made the market to do this is, the same problem the other trade, the stock market had Thursday. The tariff, what made the problem, caused this problem. So what is true is that if the tariff caused this problem, it wasn't that, because it wasn't the real one, but we might have a rebound, rebound up. Because what made it, it's not because of the dollars, or because the dollar dropped because of the news. So probably we'll have the pullback. It will come back here to reclaim the initial position. That is my personal view. So if someone want to buy it and hold, it won't be a bad idea. But shouldn't also forget that this problem might keep insisting, and we might see the continuation down, like the S&P did. S&P dropped more than 10%. So that is what I can say. You have to be careful. This kind of drop, it's difficult to say that you're going to buy and hold. As an intraday trader, but I don't see any major entry on that one. If you want to get in and out for today, it wouldn't be easier. So because the problem of the, it's like you see here on the other trade, you see how they're climbing here to come to and close the gap. That is what we're trying to do here. Other trade are coming to close the gap. So anyway, that is my personal opinion. You don't have to follow what I'm saying. It's just a personal opinion. As an intraday trader, you need to be careful. Sometimes when you see a drop like that one, if you see anything, you can just take it and walk away, like we did. So now we have it now, high, low, high, low traders. That is why we have now high and high low, high low, high low. We have now higher now, so we'll get now a higher low. So if we get here to the 200, I will try to go short, try to catch up the small drop traders. That is what I'm trying to do here. In case I get to this resistance, I will try to get a small drop. So I'm waiting to see. Higher. I'll get a small drop there. Waiting to see a high low traders. I took a small short there, small here, small short traders. Take the high low, and I place my stop here. My stop is there. stop here. Let's see if we can get a small drop. Let's see. Can get a small drop there. The higher lower. Traders. Okay, Jeff, I wish I could have speak Spanish very well. I speak Spanish, but not fluently. Maybe like I can explain to you things in Spanish. But but I thank you very much for your participation. Thank you very very much. I hope one day we'll have a guy here who will speak in Spanish to try to explain things. I hope that, because our channel is bilingual. We can speak many languages as we can. So that is what I hope, that one day there gotta be people here trying to speak Spanish. Maybe who knows? Maybe you might join our community so that you can translate things in Spanish one day. So now we're expecting to get a higher lower, traders, which is not easy. It's hard to catch the top, very hard. I'm not expecting to catch the top. If he kick me out, I will re-enter the trade. For the drop, it's not easy to catch the top, traders. So let's see if you can get the higher lower. Let's see. Watching for the higher lower. Let's watch and see. Gotta get a higher low. Let's see. Get a high low for our trade. Want to see where Japanese coming lower. Want to see here. Great. We have a small drop, which is not bad, traders. Watch it. Need to trust our trade. Need to trust our trade, traders. Where Japanese coming down. Want to see high low. We are now on the took a short. I'm not sure. I'm out of US Japanese with a loss. Trader. Out of US Japanese with a loss. Let's see the other guys. I said that it's hard to get a top. Very hard. Watching. We say Japanese, raw Japanese going up, approaching my stop. Still on the trade for the short because I wanted to make the higher lower. I didn't get yet. Now I'm going to my stopped. Going to stop out. I'm out of a trade, both traders. So I give back my, part of my gain, traders. So let's see. Watching. Need to be careful here. Need to be careful. Oh. Okay. See that you speak Portuguese. Oh, man, I'm sorry. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you. Speak Portuguese. Welcome. Anyway, you're welcome to our channel. You're very welcome. We're here every day. We tune in here every day, except Saturday and Friday. But we tune in here 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I don't know what time you're there in Brazil right now, but I'm very glad that you tune in here and you join us. Very, very happy. Yeah, we're here every day. You can join us anytime you want. Okay, so we're now going now to we're moving upside, trader. I wanted to see if you can go short here, traders. It gotta still be difficult, but you know, I need to check it to see on the 15 minute. 15 minutes here. Already there. So, trader, I'm going short here again. Go short. I say that it's hard to take the top, but I go short again. My stop gotta be there. Stop is there. Let's see. Took a short there again. I don't know if we're gonna have it, but let's see. Let's see, trader. Can get a short. Nice, but you Japanese don't want to do anything major. Where Japanese don't want to come down. Wow. Let's see with your Japanese. Gotta wait and see. Trust my trade. Trust my trade. Trader. We are now on the 150 simple moving average. Let's see. Approaching to my stop again. Stopped out on US Japanese. Stopped out again. What I'm going to do is that I don't want to let all my profit evaporated, traders. I prefer to wait like that, to get out like that, traders. So we have the uptrend here, trader. We need to be careful. We have a very uptrend. We have a break on the uptrend. So our trade shows that we have an uptrend, which we have to follow. So we are above our 150 simple moving average. So we need to see the uptrend, traders. So took one trade for the long. Place my stop here below. I'm also in on Australia Japanese, Euro Japanese. My stop gotta be here below. Let's see. Watching. We're going slowly uptrend, slowly. I've already give almost all my profit. I'm out of trader. So I'm almost flat now. I'm almost flat. This is unbelievable. So all my profit I give back already. Traders. It's not good. Je vais redonner tout mon profit. Donc, je suis maintenant à 0,0, comme si je n'avais pas de trade. C'est ça. Let's watch and see. Maybe this is the time to stop, because when you make money and you give back, it's not the good things, man. They're the worst things in the world you can do for yourself, So I made my day and I give back. We're going now to close the gap, because closing the gap is just here. Going to follow the gap here. This is above the 150. This used to be my entry point trader for long. Here, this is my entry point here for long here, trader. But since I already give all my profit, I would prefer to not taking another trade, because I made money and I give back. I'm now flat 0-0. I prefer to not taking another trade for today, man, because this is not good. For me to take money out of the market and give back, it's not good for me. So I would prefer to come back here tomorrow again to try, because for me it's the worst thing to do. that you make money in the market and now give back. Or it happens, but I understand that it happens. So yes, I would prefer to, for today I stop like that, not taking another trade. So it's what I was expecting to do. It's doing now. So it's what I was expecting. It's doing now. Anyway, I have to exercise patience. And how can I say? Discipline. I already say that I'm not taking any trade, so I should not take it. That is a high discipline, As a trader, you need to be disciplined. If you're not, it's gotta be difficult for you to make money. So I need to be disciplined. I already say that I won't take any trade. I should stop here for today. If I make money, I give money back. That money back, I stop there. I don't want to keep trading. So thank you, trader. It was a pleasure for me. Today it was a nice day, but I give back. It's fine. It happens. So as a trader, you just need to be disciplined. Know what you're doing. If it happens that you take money in the market and you give back, you can stop trading like that. It's a good discipline. So I need to implement it, and it will help me. So it was a pleasure for me to trade with you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna be here at 7 p.m. Mesdames et messieurs, j'ai arrêté de trade comme ça. Je ne prends plus de trade. Je dois être discipliné. Je dois comprendre que si j'ai fait l'argent et que j'ai remis cet argent, c'est important d'arrêter de trade comme ça. Je ne veux plus prendre un autre trade. Ça va comme ça pour aujourd'hui. Demain, je vais reprendre. C'est important parce que mon moral n'est plus bon. Voilà, donc c'est bien. Nous allons nous revoir demain à 19h, le temps de New York. Je vous remercie beaucoup et au revoir. Bonne soirée ou bonne nuit pour certains ou bonne journée. Thank you and goodbye, traders.